Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can stop Temu notifications, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on the web version, however, I will explain how you can do it on the mobile version first. So what you need to do on the mobile version is go into your U tab, which is at the very bottom middle of your screen on your phone, then go into the top right where there's this sort of hexagonal gear icon, click on that, then you'll arrive in your settings and then you need to go into your notification settings. Now, on the web version, what you need to do is just hover over orders and account and scroll down until you see your notifications. Click on that, and both of those ways will take you to the notification screen. Now, the steps following this are pretty much identical for both versions. What you can do is, well, choose which notifications to turn on or off. You'll receive order updates, promotions, chat messages, or chat message alerts, as well as customer activity and avatar and username sharing, which you can turn on or off. This is pretty much not related to notifications at all, as well as customer activity. However, you can enable that if you want to see it if you're a seller. Now, for notifications, I do recommend you keep order updates on for your email, just to keep track of all your orders. And for chat messages, you can disable them as well as promotions. Now, you'll get these from SMS, email, or WhatsApp. And as for chat messages, just SMS and email. And what you need to do is just click on edit next to the notification type that you don't want to get. Then just make sure all the relevant fields like this switch are grayed out, and then you should be good. So, for example, for the email, for some reason it's asking me to enter my email, which I will not be doing since I already have that email over here. But yeah, you can just turn it on or off, make sure it's grayed out and off, switch to the left, and that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.